Okay, so as you all have been waiting for the 12Z model runs have come out, we're going to take a look at those, analyze them a little bit. So let's take a look at those, this analog package right here. It's actually not an analog package, it's actually just the next 2 weeks of weather off the surface map. I'm just being silly, I'll get a sense of humor. Alright, so again, we have a lot of warm air days. The front 5 days, I should say, days 1 through 5, and we see a big low pressure system come over the northeast there, and that's by October 22nd. That's actually very big, and that could produce a lot of rain. Looks like a hurricane almost, but it's not. And then we see by October 24th, we see reinforcements of warm air again. Again, kind of a wishy-washy pattern, up and down in terms of temps, a lot of temp swings. And then, again, we see a battle between warm and cold air. Again, we see a little system come through there. But really, the big story is it's going to be a battle between warm and cold air. But the main storyline is we will get some cold air from Canada building up. So we're going to have to keep our eyes on that in November. Now, the CFS, let's take a look at the CFS model actually. Let's take a look at that. CFS monthly forecast. So this is actually interesting, so we're going to take a look at it. Let's take a look at our 2-meter air temperature anomaly for November. And it's forecasting a warm November. So I believe there'll be chunks of that taken away. I believe it will be a cold November. I know that's kind of getting ahead of ourselves because we're not into November yet. But again, if we take a look at this run in the middle, right on the middle left side here, October 12th, we see a lot of cold air in Western Canada. So the model is starting to pick up on some cold air. It's here and there with it, but we do see here on October 14th, again, more cold air. So with that being said, I do think we're in for a cold November. I'm just going with my gut. I know it's not on the modeling right now, at least from one model, but I'm sure there are several models that have a cold November on them. But the bottom line is winter's coming. Make sure you keep your eyes on the models because winter is coming and it's supposed to be, I think it'll be a cold and snowy one this year. So take care and thanks for watching.